Sonos speakers we have seen so far are big, loud and meant to be used around the house. But the one we're going to talk about today is different. This is the Sonos Roam, a small speaker that can tag along anywhere with the user. But with the Sonos name, it also brings a promise of incredible sound, great features and a high price tag. And with this review, you will find out whether it comes through on all these promises or not. As said earlier, the Roam is a very small speaker as compared to the previous products seen from Sonos. But it is different only in size, as it carries the same signature color scheme and design that we have come to expect from Sonos. The speaker can be placed both horizontally or vertically. The back has a USB-C port for charging and a power button. When placed vertically, the top has buttons to control the music. The plus and minus buttons are meant to increase or decrease the volume. The button in the middle is used to play or pause tracks. Double tapping it changes to the next song and triple tapping it to the previous song. A small LED light right above the logo indicates the speaker is powered on. The design looks good while also being durable. The speaker can take a few drops on the floor like a champ. And it is also sealed well enough to earn itself an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. So you can easily place it by the shower or near a pool. The Roam is set up through the Sonos app. It needs a setup as it is capable of streaming music through Wi-Fi along with its functionality as a Bluetooth speaker. When the sound is compared, listening to music streamed on Wi-Fi has much more volume. However, we experience repeated connection drops when used in such a way. With a few firmware updates, this issue was eventually fixed. The user has the choice of selecting music via the Sonos app or using Spotify Connect or AirPlay 2. Coming to the most important part of any speaker, the sound on the Sonos Roam is excellent. The focus here is clarity and volume, and that is where the speaker shines the most. The highs are crisp, the mids and vocals are clear, the texture of the sound is reproduced extremely well. But what can be lacking initially is the bass, which is an obvious result of a small size. But after messing a bit with the EQ, it can be brought up to a reasonable amount. The great sound lasts only up to 75% volume. Beyond that, the highs and mids distort other frequencies, making the sound less than ideal. But right up to 75%, the sound remains excellent and clear. Something you wouldn't expect from a speaker that is so small. The speaker with its small size has a battery life of 10 hours. While it is not at all as much as what other speakers can provide, it can be charged in more than one way. Apart from charging through the USB-C port, the speaker can also wirelessly charge through any wireless charger when it is placed on one vertically. Sonos also separately sells a magnetic wireless charging base for it. The Sonos Roam, despite the lack of excellent battery life, looks, performs and feels like an amazing little speaker. And above everything else, it offers all the functions every other big Sonos product does. And for the price of $19,999 with everything the speaker can do, we will firmly recommend this for everyone looking for a small but great sounding speaker.